Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm doing a cook with me Sunday lunch. So before I get into this video, I want to let you guys know that I'm sorry for not posting yesterday, but this video will be posted today on Sunday. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I am going to be cooking today, or what ideas I have to cook so far. So I have the chicken there that I've cleaned and seasoned overnight. So I'm just boiling it for a bit before I put it in the oven. So I'm gonna be breaking the chicken and then adding some barbecue sauce on top of it. I have some rice. I think I'm just gonna do with the rice. I want to do like this garlicky oil to add on the rice. I think I'm going to cook the garlic in some oil, and once the rice is finished, just mix it up, and I think that's gonna taste very delicious. I'm gonna do some black salsa beans. I'm gonna strew it down with some ketchup and some sugar, and if I have curry and seasoning, and this is gonna be delicious. I really like cooking my own peas and beans. However, this is what is accessible to me today, so I'm going to be using it to do my stew peas. I'm going to show you guys what the chicken is looking like at the moment, and then let's get into the chicken and what it's looking like. I just put it on about, I want to say 3 minutes ago. I'm going to let it boil for about 5 more minutes, and then I put it in the oven. To go on top of the meat while it's in the oven, I'm going to be adding I just did some big chops of onions and some garlic. I also have some clove and some ginger that I'm going to be adding on as well, just for extra flavor. I'm going to put them on top of the meat while it's in the oven, and then when they're cooked, I'm going to go ahead and make them put them in the sauce to make the sauce.
So this video is mainly self-explanatory. However, if I feel the need to add in something or let you guys know what I'm using or what I'm doing at the moment, I will let you guys know. But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So this is how the chicken is looking at before I put it in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven at about 400 degrees and leave it in there for 40 minutes and check on it every 20 minutes. So now I'm going to rinse the beans. I did not know it was going to be this dark in color, the liquid. So I'm just going to thoroughly rinse it until the water becomes clear. I'm now going to get the water ready for the rice. So I always say I'm adding 4 cups of water to every 1 cup of rice. I'm just putting it in now and put it on the fire, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse the rice afterwards. I'm going to add in some onion and garlic into the pot. While the water is getting hot, I'm going to go ahead and wash the rice. This is how the rice is looking about 7 minutes in, so it's about halfway cooked. So I'm gonna let it continue to cook, and this is how it's looking once it's done. I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic and just a drizzle of oil in the oven while the chicken is being baked to cook the garlic. This is how the chicken is looking after 20 minutes. I'm just going to leave it in for about 15 minutes before I put on the barbecue sauce. I am going to add the garlic into the rice. I'm going to try not to put too much of the oil. I know the garlic is coated in the oil, but I'm trying not to put too much of the actual oil itself. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it together until it is well combined. It smells amazing. It's about 10 minutes later and the chicken are fully cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the onions, the garlic, the clove and the ginger to put into the barbecue sauce. So this is how I create my barbecue sauce for the baked chicken. I'm gonna start off with some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add equal parts barbecue sauce, equal parts ketchup, a little bit of malt vinegar, and about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and mix it all together. So I just added some more seasoning to the black turtle beans and some ketchup and sugar. I'm just gonna let that sit until the water is almost completely gone. This is how the sauce is looking. I just put it on the stove to just boil down for a couple of minutes. I'm going to place it back into the oven for the remaining 5 minutes. This is how the chicken is looking after 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and serve up and show you guys my plate. This is how it is looking. It was very delicious. I really enjoyed this meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have eaten today, and don't forget, kindness is free. So be kind to everyone you come across. You never know what impact they might have on your life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Bye.